If WhatsApp missed call notification stopped showing when your Samsung screen is locked, then let us see what to do. Go to settings, notifications, app notifications, and we will look for WhatsApp. Open it, and here make sure that you have selected this option, lock screen. The other thing is select this option, show or hide content when locked, and make sure it is default. Go to notification categories, go to message notifications, make sure that you have enabled this option, show as pop-up. Go back, and here there is an option called notification. Enable this option also. After this, we will again go to settings, go to apps, tap on these three dotted icons here, go to special access, scroll down, go to full screen alerts, and here make sure that you have enabled this option for WhatsApp. Enable it. So once you do all of these things, you should be able to see WhatsApp missed call notification when the screen is off.